Fuck off. 2020? Fuck off. 2020.
Hey guys, so welcome to my first 2021 What I Eat in a Day video. Not only will I be filming during this, I'm also going to be making and working on some projects. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And give me some ideas of what kind of videos you'd like to see, skincare, etc. So, yeah, 2020 was a tough year for all of us. Thank God we made it through all of this, and with a smile, with hope, yeah, I'm just so grateful. So, let's get into it. Going for it? You're not supposed to, though.
Yeah, you could drink coffees. Too busy.
No, there's a lot of cars in the parking lot. Well, we gotta go to kombucha.
Where would that be?
Yeah. Finally.
Because I just see it and I think of the face.
Of course. Where's the pancake? They took it off the pancake mix too.
Yeah.
I don't like the way it looks. For your I ate all the peanuts, ate all the cashews. We have pistachios left and pecans. Let's do pistachio. And about a tablespoon or less of each. Pistachios, cashews, and peanuts. Alright, so this is my snack. I'm snacking on mostly these. So this is the
Beautiful. Bringing out my ancestor.
apple. homemade pasta, which looks kind of gross. So some butter and garlic, and we're gonna try it. Yeah. This is what the noodles look like. So from one of my local vegan restaurants, I got these jackfruit wings, which look like this on the inside, some vegan mac and cheese, which is bomb, and this chicken sandwich, or unchicken sandwich. Thanks for watching.